The next interesting topic is intersection of a line and a circle. Now, let equation of a circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, this shows that center lies at the origin, and equation of a line is y is equal to mx plus c. Number 2. Now, solving equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously by substituting value of y from equation 2 in equation 1. Now, what we get? We are getting x square plus mx plus c whole square is equal to a square. X square plus m square x square mcx plus c square is equal to a square, and this becomes 1 plus m square with x square plus 2 mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Now, this equation becomes a quadratic equation in variable x. So, what we will be having? Sorry. We will be getting now case 1, two distinct roots. Now, this is the case 1, this is case 1 with two distinct roots, and it will cut the circle at two different points. Now, case 2, one repeated root, okay, that will be which one? This one. This will be the repeated root. And case 3, no real roots. At no real roots, what we will be having? The line will not be touching the circle. This is case 3. So, intersection of a line and a circle. Now, just a small recap. First of all, write the two equations, then eliminate y of one equation and then solve it for a x, that will become a quadratic equation. And when you are solving the quadratic equation, we can have three different answers. Number 1 only means three different conditions. Number 1 will be when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we will be having two distinct roots. It means a line will be intersecting a circle. Condition 2 can be when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will be having only two roots and the roots will be repeated, that will just touch a circle. And when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will be having no real roots, then it means line will not touch a circle.